Why S-Shape 3 OK Cavitation is so popular? S-Shape, perfect your body shape. The top choice for beauty salons. S-Shape 3 OKRF targets deep stubborn fat. Suitable for areas with stubborn fat abdomen, arms, legs, etc. 160 megawatts laser pad. Enhanced energy for effective fat reduction. 2 sizes, more suitable for different parts of the body. 1/6 OMUW strong power. Effectively dissolves fat. EMS and L. Tightens and lifts facial contours. Suction and RF. Boosts circulation and metabolism. S-Shape 3 OK. What are you waiting for? SD for 5S6 SB.